Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. This is a channel where I like to take you guys shopping with me to all of my favorite stores, as well as decor, DIYs, and I like to entertain. I also like to show off my little condo because I think it's so cute, as well as show off my babies. Hello my friends, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so excited to show you my goodies. Oh my gosh, I found some amazing things. For those of you that don't know, I'm kind of a frugal shopper. In fact, when I take you in the stores with me, I don't really show you like a whole lot of our clearance section because, well, it's our clearance section. I don't know if you guys would have the same deals or not. So, but anyway, if you'd like me to spend more time in there, you just let me know because I get so excited and I spend so much time in them. But anyway, Frugal Shopping. So I have to tell you about this product, or this company. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it because I just recently learned of it and I just got my very first box and I'm so stoked. It is, it's pinchme.com. So you just go in there. It's super easy. All you have to do is fill out your email address, create a password, and then you just answer like a couple questions about things that, products that you are interested in. And it's just super easy. So, and then you go back and you check in every now and then, and because they have free samples, it's free shipping, it's free products, and they're travel size. Normally they're travel size, and so cool. So when I got this in the mail, I was like, oh my gosh, I've got to show you everything that I've been picking up lately. So first of all, in the box, I got this Moroccan oil, free. So that is like so good for your hair. I got some vitamins from Sundown. It's a multi-daily immune support system vitamin, free. And that's not a sample. That's like a full bottle. I also got some Garnier Whole Blends shampoo and conditioner. And I got a Garnier smoothing treatment. It's a 1-minute hair mask. So cool. I don't know about you, but our weather is so super dry, and as you can tell, because I'm having like such a bad hair day, it's like, yeah, I'm like so excited about that. I also got this Pure Clay mask from L'Oreal, totally free, and this, it's called nut butter. So it's that company No BS. Have you seen those commercials? I think they're hilarious. So yeah, I got those, or I got that, and I got these blister cushions. So kind of funny that they sent me this because I live in California and we always wear flip-flops, but when I do wear shoes that have a heel on it, guess what? I always get blisters. So I'm so excited to try that out. And I also got some clarifying soap, charcoal soap. And this, oh my goodness, so excited about this. This is also soap, it's French lavender. So all of this for totally free. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. This soap smells amazing. Like literally when it was delivered to my door for free, I could smell the soap. It was so, I was like, oh, something in there smells really good. I can't wait. So anyway, I got, yeah, like I said, all of this totally free. It's pinchme.com. So go check them out. You won't be disappointed, that's for sure. So yeah, anyway, let's get into the haul. I went to TJ Maxx and I picked up a couple of items over there. So first off, I picked up these candle holders. Okay, I got 2 of them. So they were, what were they? They were $4.99 each. Aren't they so pretty? I think they're so pretty. So I like the big bling. I think they're so pretty. So I got those. And then I also got this, speaking of bling, I found this bottle topper. So this was on clearance for $3. So figured that's gonna look so super sharp on my bar cart. So I'm so excited about that. I also found this beautiful vase. This was, I don't have my glasses on, but it's $6. So as you know, my home is pretty much in silver. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, so pretty, love it. And then I found at TJ Maxx this little heart. Now I don't know if you just recently saw my coffee cart collaboration that I just recently did, but I did have this out on there because I had just bought it and I was like, oh, Valentine's Eve, yes, okay, I'll use that. So this was $6. So it's a paperweight. I picked up a couple of them from Pier 1 and they were like $21.99, so I got this one for $6. Perfect. And then from TJ Maxx, I also found this beautiful vase. Isn't this so gorgeous? I love this. So it's silver and it has like mercury glass in it, and you are not gonna believe the price I found it for. You are not. I got it for $2. $2. Can you believe that? $2. It's gonna look so pretty with flowers hanging over it. Well, just like a little bunch of flowers on it. I was just so excited. It's so funny because I usually check out the clearance section before I start a shopping video. So I was literally like walking around the store like this, envision I'm holding my phone, trying to record the store, and this is how I did it, as well as show you guys the prices on items that I thought were a good deal. So yeah, I had to walk around like this. Quite funny. So anyway, that's what I got from TJ Maxx. Let's go to Homegoods. So Homegoods, oh my goodness. There were so many things that I wanted to buy, so many things. They had so many great things on clearance. But sadly, I spent most of my budget at Pier 1 this month, so I only got one thing from Homegoods. But I love what I got. Look what I found. Oh my goodness, is this not just stunning? Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. So it's mirrored on the top. It has all the bling, the crystals all around it, and on the top and the bottom. The bottom is mirror. The middle part is mirrored. It's so pretty. Guess how much I got it for? $15. $15. Can you believe that? So it does have, like, I do see that it has like a little bit of a, like a little, it needs to come off. I have some gook on, so I'll just put that on there, and I know it's gonna come right off, and that's the only reason I can think that it's down from like originally $30. I'll take it. So that's all I got from Homegoods. So what else? Where else did I go? Oh, Ross. So from Ross I picked up several things too. Well, just a couple things actually. I picked up this pillow right here. I think it's so pretty. Normally at the end of my haul videos I'll show you where I display everything. Now I probably won't do this unless I put this at the end of the couch. I'm not too sure, but just to kind of give you an idea of how you can decorate with these. But I got this it was on clearance for, look, I fumble around like I do in my videos, $9.99. $9.99 for this pillow. So pretty on clearance. So it was originally what? Oh, it doesn't say. I can't see. So anyway, $9.99 for this pillow. I'm gonna put this in my bedroom because my bedroom is black, white, and gray. And so I'm gonna put that in there. And then I found this pillow. So big and pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this pillow so much. It's a charcoal gray and it has all the pretty sparklies in it. It is so nice. I honestly, when I saw the price on this one, I was like, oh my gosh, you are getting in my cart. So it was $4.99. $4.99 for a pillow. Seriously, that's crazy. So yeah. Oh. And then I also got this one. So this pillow, so super soft and snuggly. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I just love this little thing. Now, this one didn't have a price tag on it, so, but it was in the clearance section. So I was talking to the guy and he said, well, that one, right, that big gray one was $4.99, so he gave it to me for $4.99. So cool. I was so excited. I jumped all over that one too. Okay, now we're gonna jump into Pier 1. I can't wait to show you what I got at Pier 1. Everything that I got was 90% off. Almost everything I got. Oh, wait. I forgot something from Ross. Hold on a second. I forgot this bowl. Oh my goodness, look at this bowl. Is this not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I got it for $9.99. $9.99 for this great big huge heavy bowl. It's all glass. It's all silver on the bottom. It is so stunning. I love this bowl. Okay, now we're gonna jump into Pier 1. So from Pier 1, everything was 90% off. Their clearance, right? So, or their, what's it called? Their Christmas clearance. So I got these napkins. So they say, baby, it's cold outside, and it has little snowflakes on there, silver snowflakes. They were originally $5.99, so I got them for 59 cents. Can't beat that. I also picked up these napkin rings. So I thought they were so cute. I got all 4 of them. They only had 4. So they were $2.99. So I got them for 29 cents. So cute. And you can take these off and use them for whatever it is that you want to, but I think they're just so adorable. And then I found this napkin ring. Oh my goodness, is that not so pretty? That's so pretty, so sparkly. So I got that. It was originally $4.95, so I got it for 49 cents. So pretty. They only had one, sadly, they only had one. Otherwise, I'd have grabbed a ton of them. And then I found this cute little guy, another wedding stop, or wedding. Sorry, I've got wedding on the mind because my daughter's getting ready to get married. But it's another bottle stopper. So and he has like a little reindeer with little stick legs and stuff. He's so cute. He was $12.99 and I got him for $1.29. So adorable. And then I got these picks, I guess they are. They're champagne eucalyptus picks. These were $5.99 and I got them for 59 cents. They had 3, so I had to grab all 3. So I got one other item, which is way too big for me to pull over and carry into the camera for you to see. So I'm gonna turn this around and show you where I displayed everything. All except for the Christmas things and the bedroom stuff. I'm not gonna show you that because my bedroom is not ready yet to be shown. So, but in Christmas I just wanna go kind of tuck away because all my other Christmas stuff is out in the garage. So, but anyway, I'll show you all the other pretty things. So anyway, stick around with me for just a moment.